Hi friends, this is your tarot reader, Tarot Guide Shefali. Welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to speak about June 2021 predictions, monthly predictions, sun sign based predictions, and we are going to see what is in cards for you. So before we start the video, I would like to request you all to like my YouTube channel, to subscribe it and press the bell notification so that you keep getting regular updates of the videos that I keep releasing. Friends, I have also launched a new brand called Astro Vruksh by Shefali, which is an integrated destiny management solution brand which talks about multiple astro streams like astrology, numerology, palmistry, vastu, crystal therapy, aromatherapy, mantra therapy, then color therapy, and multiple other combinations of these streams. So do explore the services under that brand, because it is also extensive services that we offer and a very scientific services that we offer under that brand. We are present on Instagram, on Facebook group, as well as YouTube. And for Astro Vruksh, we are also present on LinkedIn, especially for the corporate audience over there. So do follow us, do like us, subscribe us, share your comments, share your inputs about the readings, about the services that we offer. So without wasting too much of time, let's quickly jump to your reading for June 2021. Hi friends, let's see what's in cards for the Scorpions for June 2021. We will start with your energy oracle card. We have second chakra, that is Archangel Ariel, which is confirming that this month is going to be the month of creativity, the month of emotional sensitivity and relationships, self-love and positivity for you. If you wear a lot of orange color during this month, you will be able to attract a lot of positive energy for your sacral chakra, which will help you to strengthen your roots, strengthen your core, and you will be able to be very high on emotional front in a positive manner. It looks like a balanced emotional time, and you will be deeply connecting with your own self too. Your spiritual energy could also be quite high, so just try to work on it and balance it accordingly. Coming to your relationship, we have 5 of swords in the upright position. Now this card is somewhere suggesting that either you will be in control of your relationship, or for some people it might appear that somebody is trying to trick you. So somebody is trying to control you, or you are in control of your relationship, or there is a possibility of somebody tricking you. So as you're aware friends, since it is a general reading, I try to give multiple possibilities so that it can help you with the guidance, because everybody is going through the different phase in their life cycle. Now this person is looking like a male figure who is going to either control your relationship, or distract your relationship, or try to help you to win over any relationship. So be sure what intent this person has, and accordingly use your maturity and inner wisdom to guide you through your relationship phase. Just be sure that this person is not taking advantage or not tricking you in a wrong path. So just be little careful with this person. Now it could be in the marriage setup where somebody else is trying to take advantage of the tough time that is going on in your marriage, or somebody trying to anchor you or giving you support, whether it is a tough time, things will shape up, that kind of a situation, or your man of your marriage is trying to give you that support and confidence. So try to understand the role of this person who is playing that anchoring role. So to understand what exactly the intent of this person is, so that you don't end up hurting him by misunderstanding him, at the same time you don't let him take advantage of you. Now in some cases, this could be your friends, this could be your relative who is very strong position in your relationship and who is trying to do certain things. So just try to integrate your maturity and understanding to understand what is the role of this person. Coming to your career friends, we have Wheel of Fortune card, which is a beautiful card which is confirming that your career is on a high. It is going to take a very different turn, a very high boost, a very positive turn, and it is going to make you roll in a positive time, and you will be getting strengthened through this phase. So use it to the optimum level. Entire universe is there to support you, and use your own strength in the right direction rather than wasting your energy on some things which are unnecessary or trying to pull you down. Go moment to moment. Don't jump to any decisions, any conclusions, or don't be hasty. Take things step by step. Coming to your finances, friends, we have Three of Cups in the upright position. Now this card is very much suggesting that you are financially very much taken care of. You look quite settled. You can actually enjoy this time for networking and building better business relationship, taking you to a different level. Rebirth is the kind of is a message for you. So this time is going to be a rebirth time for your financial growth. Use it optimally to take you to a different level. Coming to your health, we have Seven of Pentacles in the upright position. So somewhere this card is suggesting that you are planning for a best health situation, and you are actually in a good health, a decent health, but you are planning for optimum best health situation, but you are not acting upon it. So somewhere you have to not just daydream but work towards attaining the optimum or a best health situation. Adventure into a very unknown zone also if needed to explore the best health situation. Coming to your chakra advice card, we have psychic development as a core message for you. This is going to be a very good time for your psychic development, for your spiritual growth. Use it, optimize this energy for your spiritual growth, at the same time for psychological and emotional growth also, because emotional sensitivity is also very high, which the cards are suggesting. Honor and respect this sensitivity and use it in the right way to optimize it for yourself. I hope this reading really helps you guys, Scorpions. Take care. I really hope that this reading will help you to plan your coming month in the best possible fashion. In case if you are looking for a personal appointment, you can connect with me on my email ID or on my mobile number. You can follow me or put me a message on Facebook, Instagram. I am very much accessible over there. You can also put me a email if you want to, if you have any query or a detailed query. Don't mention your personal query on YouTube channel to retain your privacy. Do share my videos with your friends and family so that more and more people can see it and get the benefit out of the free general readings and the pick a card readings that I keep on releasing every month. Also, put a comment, do share your input and feedback and suggestion on the videos so that I keep on improvising and helping you with what you need in terms of reading. I hope this reading helps you guys. Very good luck to all of you. Stay safe, stay secure during this tough time.